Sharp India is proud to present STEM on Wheels program. The program aims to enhance STEM education in government primary schools, bridging the educational gap, allowing equal access to STEM education. The project highlights: after the inauguration and flag-off ceremony of the SHARP project, orientation sessions and baseline survey were conducted. Regular STEM sessions were carried out. Practical hands-on learning models and DIY kits were distributed to students. Employee volunteering visits, assessment book distribution, and progress tracking. Overall comparison of N-line and baseline of 3 grades clearly shows the learning and level of knowledge among students have increased. School with the highest N-line percentage of 65% is Behlolpur. Average learning of students in each of PCMB subjects enhanced by 20.8%. Over 100 hours of cumulative learning imparted, 24 STEM sessions conducted, 2,500 plus students impacted throughout the project.
Sharp, be original.